More troubles for Subaru. Earlier this week, Subaru issued a statement/recall. They have found a number of 2019 Outback and Legacies that have welds that are missing and or compromised, similar to the issue they had when they launched the Subaru Ascent, and they had incomplete or bad welds on the B-pillars that structurally made the car compromised. They had to recall and destroy, I believe, 243 Ascents. Most of these were caught before they got to dealers and into consumers' hands. This recall on the 2019 Outback and Legacy is a little bit larger in scale, affecting right over 2,100 vehicles. I think 1,965 of which are Outbacks and 142, I believe, were Legacies. Subaru claims that they have caught this before. The majority of these vehicles have reached dealer lots or have gotten into the hands of consumers, although about 20 models have made it to the consumer. Subaru plans to either buy back, trade out these vehicles, and once they are, they're going to be destroyed, most likely, like the Ascents were. The issue was, according to Subaru, their supplier manufacturer had issues with their spot welder. There is, between spot welds, a machine that grinds and shapes the tip of the spot welder periodically to keep the welds uniform and in good condition, and something happened during the process that prevented the machinery from dressing the welder tips, and they degraded to the point where the welds were not penetrating and of low quality. This issue affects the cowl area and around the firewall, as I've heard it described. So again, some quality issues for Subaru, but luckily caught before it got into the hands of consumers. The issues with the welds were actually discovered by a Subaru body shop technician. A customer had a strange noise coming from the dash/cowl area, and upon inspection by the body shop technician, they found the lack of welds and damaged welds and alerted Subaru, and that is how they discovered the issue, to check other models and see how many exactly were affected and what VIN number range was affected to issue this recall. So in light of this new issue with welds and structural integrity for Subarus, what does this make you think of the manufacturer? Personally, I applaud Subaru for being swift to find the issue and correct the issue by issuing the recall, issuing the buyback for the people that have already got the vehicle, and correcting this as quickly as possible before anyone is injured. We know certain other auto manufacturers that I will not name, but I'm sure most of you viewers are aware of, that would know of major issues and wait and not act upon them until a certain number of people had died from the issue and or they had been sued for the issue before corrective measures were taken. So do you put more trust in Subaru, less trust in Subaru? What does this make you feel about Subaru quality? Will this deter you from buying a future Subaru model? Does this make you feel better about having a Subaru vehicle? Leave any comments, questions, or your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.